Welcome to the Yes or No English podcast channel. This channel helps you learn English in a simple way through daily usage English, story practice, and shadow speaking.
Practice daily and grow your confidence in English.
Hi, everyone. Today we're practicing at the ice cream shop sentences.
Ready? Let's go.
The ice cream shop is near my house.
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 A big board shows all the flavors.
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 There are many tasty flavors today.
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 Chocolate ice cream looks very yummy.
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 Vanilla and strawberry are also good.
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 Mango and butterscotch sound delicious.
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 The waffle cone looks very crispy.
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 My favorite is chocolate ice cream.
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 A chocolate scoop is what I want.
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 The shopkeeper gives me a cone.
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 The scoop is very big and round.
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 Chocolate syrup goes on top of it.
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 Colorful sprinkles are added over 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 it.
The ice cream looks so beautiful now.
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 The price is only 50 rupees.
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 50 rupees is a very fair price.
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 A 50 rupee note is given to him.
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 The ice cream cone is in my hand.
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 A small lick tastes very sweet.
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 The ice cream melts on my tongue.
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 The creamy texture is so smooth.
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 The chocolate flavor is very strong.
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 The cone is finished very quickly.
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 My mouth is still tasting chocolate.
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 This makes me feel very happy.
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 Wonderful! You just practiced 25 at the ice cream shop sentences.
Subscribe for a new video every day.
See you next time.